All right, PDR beginners, you want to learn PDR, but you got issues with time and money. Well, no longer do you have that excuse. Look, my name is Dean with Legacy Dent Company. I have been having a blast with these one-day workshops. I can either do them in a group setting with 2 to 3 students, as many as you have in your shop if you want to send me out some of the techs in your shop, but these 2 to 3 guy sessions, and better yet, these one-on-one sessions that start at $349 or go all the way up to just $750 for a one-on-one have been awesome. And then if you pay even just a little bit more, I'll give you membership into our online training community that just supplements and reinforces your learning process. But look, these one-day options would have been awesome. I would have loved to have had this early on. I'm telling you, if you don't do something about this, now you are going to spend the next months, if not even worse, years trying to navigate these waters blindly, trying to figure out in what order do you spend your time and how do you learn. Did you know that there are 5 principles to a proper push technique? 5 principles to a proper knockdown technique? Did you know that? Did you know that there are ways of learning PDR in a particular order? That way each skill stacked upon the next actually makes the previous one or the following one make sense. I didn't know that. Okay, this took me years of trial and error to put together a blueprint. I have the blueprint for you. I'd love to have you out to the shop so I can show you where you need to be spending your time, where you need to be spending your energy, and more importantly, where you need to be spending your money. Otherwise, you'll be so fixated on one skill, but if you don't balance out multiple together, then one may get stronger, but it will never shine because something else is getting neglected. You have to learn these things in a particular order. Did you know that the science of the metal actually controls everything? How you use your light? Did you know that learning the science of the metal helps you learn your light, and learning your light helps you identify the features of a dent? Did you know that a dent is actually a system of zones? It's not one feature. These are all questions that if you can't answer, then you owe it to yourself to get out here to the shop. Did you know that if you knew what a dent actually was, the science behind the metal, then knew how to use your light, then knew how to identify the zones of a dent, and knew what each one of those zones required, but then when you pair that up to how the tools are to be used properly, what they were designed to do, and how you can get creative with them, now you can start putting together a game plan. And then when you learn those principles of push technique, knockdown technique, now you're going to be problem solving and pivoting and knowing when to stop and when to introduce the next skill. Man, I'm telling you, the fact that I don't have 1,000 people just calling me daily is absolutely insane. But a lot of you have dozens and dozens each year now. I have put on the street, into shops, starting their own business. It's been awesome to be a part of many of your lives and many of you in our online community, Pushmore Academy. It's been great to be a part of your lives as well. So look, you owe it to yourself. Watch this video. Watch it back, and if you can answer the questions to all of those, what are the skills that you need to learn and in what order? What are the principles of a proper knockdown and push technique? Did you know that there are zones within a dent? It's a system of zones. If you know what those are, then you don't need this. You don't need this training. But if you don't know what those are, whether you're a beginner or even a tech that's been trying this for quite a while and just wondering why you've plateaued, why you've hit a wall, why you can't finish out that last 10%. The last 10% is a first 10% problem. It's not a last 10% problem. It's the first 10% that's not being done properly, setting yourself up for success in that last 10%. So stop watching YouTube videos. There's some great stuff, great content. Even I've put some stuff out, but it's never going to be the solution to your problem. And your problem is not investing in yourself, not taking yourself serious. You've got to take yourself serious this year or it will never happen. And if you learn PDR by watching YouTube, it'll take longer than it should. How precious, how important, how valuable is your time? And if it's not that valuable, if this is just a hobby having fun, cool, then you don't need this. keep navigating the waters, keep, watching YouTube videos and having fun and discovering. I love that stuff too. It is fun. But if this is going to be your career, you owe it to yourself to take yourself serious, take that next step. And here is somebody who cares about PDR and cares about your future, offering PDR, learning PDR as accessible as possible at every price point, at every time and budget tier possible. It's crazy. You have no excuse now. So starting at $39 for online lessons, all the way up to $3.99 to be a part of an actual community, to starting at $3.49 for in-person, all the way up to, yes, I have a $50,000 offer. If you want to come to me for an extended amount of months and I show you how to not just push a dent, but run a business, I've got a $50,000 offer. Everybody says, hey man, you cheapening PDR by not charging enough. No, I am making PDR accessible at every price point. And you know what? Just because you don't have $50,000 doesn't mean you can't spend a couple $100 and start your journey right. Look at me. I'm losing my breath. I'm passionate about this. And if you don't take advantage of it, I'm not going to be here very much longer. Name me another person in the community that's just like going out of his way to try to make this accessible for you. I don't have to push dents. Every one of my students can tell you I can push dents. I just have a passion for this. I want to train. So what? It's not about the money. I like having fun doing this. Take advantage of it. I won't be doing this for very much longer. And I don't know anybody else training-wise, school or single trainer, that's going out of their way trying to just give you the best experience at any time, any price point. So, hey, but this is on you. You're a grown man, grown woman. If you want to miss out on this, that's on you. That's your life. But I'm here to serve you if you want to take things serious. Give me a shout. Let's get you on the calendar. Let's get you online, set up something. But stop. I've seen some of your names in these Facebook groups for the past few years, on YouTube asking me the same questions for months or the past couple years. I'm not saying anything bad about you, but a little bit of investment would have you well on your way to pushing dents and making money and creating that freedom and that dream that you imagined yourself taking part in. So come on, man, woman, whatever it is, work hard, go be great.